So there are different ways you can make your bar soap that is going to come out nice. Yes, it doesn't matter how A did as or how B did as. The most important thing is for the soap to have bubbles, to last longer, and to be strong. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys one method which you can use in making your bar soap. So please watch the video from the beginning to the end so you understand and you don't miss out. So have you been wondering how to make a bar soap? Then this video is for you, because I'm going to be showing you in details how you can achieve So first thing you want to do is to measure your oil, your water, your caustic soda, and when you get all the measurements, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and start mixing it. The measurement of this production will be at the description box. Please go ahead and check it out. So the first thing I did was to get my oil. This particular oil I'm using is PKO, which is palm kernel oil. I'll go ahead and mix my color into it. The first one you saw me put was the green color because it wasn't enough for the what I want, so I went ahead to put the black color to mix it together. So I'm going to add it to it and then just mix it. I'm also going to be putting 2 tablespoons of salt, yes, into my oil. After doing that, I'll go ahead and add my fragrance to it and then mix it properly. By the time I was doing this, my caustic soda was already dissolved, yes, and it's cooled down completely. So like I said, all the measurements will be at the description box. Yes, please check it out. And because my caustic soda is cooled down completely, I'll go ahead and pour it into my oil mix and then mix them up together. So at this point it's mixed already completely the way I want. I'll go ahead and then pour it into my mold and let it sit to dry. So after mixing it properly, I'll go ahead and pour it into my mold. After pouring it into my mold, I'll leave it and let it sit for like some hours or the next day and come back to show you guys what it's looking like. So at this point, this is what we have. It's completely dry, yes, and then I'll just take it out from the mold and cut it to the shape I want, and our soap is ready. Guys, this soap was so foamy. Yes, it's foamy, it lasts long, and I hope you guys try making yours. I'll see you all in my next video. I hope you guys like this video and learned 1 or 2 things. Yes, please subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, stay safe and stay blessed always.